is my hair doing this rubbish, please? Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Simply Bambi here again. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, then you are most definitely welcome. I hope you stay, so please remember to hit that subscribe button and join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this really, I think it's a really simple but glam makeup look. Like if you're trying to like slay but you want to be low-key type of thing, you know what I mean? So make sure you finish watching this video, yeah, so you can see exactly how we arrived at this junction. Do you know what I mean? Alright, so let's continue. Okay. So we're starting off with our lids as usual. I'm putting my LA Pro concealer in the shade Fun, and I'm just using this flat brush to spread it like butter all over my lids. I'm not going to be setting for this look. I'm just going to be going right in with the eyeshadow. So you want to make sure that you are packing the eyeshadow in your crease. We're focusing on pigmentation, and then you can go in with your fluffy brush and make sure you blend that nice. So once that is blended, honestly, I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Okay, I'm gonna be going in with a reddish shade and just blend that above the brown shade that I've put in my crease. And after that, I'm gonna be cutting my crease. We're doing a simple cut crease look. We're just we're just glamming it up. Yeah, hear me? Glamming it up, girl.
Hoping that you call me. Wanna be a champion lover. Yeah, I won't take time. No, I'm coming. I know go really bad right them hit me, girl. You just.
And then I'm gonna be setting the cut crease, right? Because I'm going in with a shimmery color. Shimmery is just a regular gold color that I'm using. I noticed that if you want your shimmers to pop, it's a good thing to set, but if you're using a matte, then I'd rather not set, because I feel that it just catches on well because there's that sticky base, and it turns out really pigmented. Yeah, so you want to pack your gold shimmer shade into the crease. And I'm going in with a what's it called, glue, glitter glue. And I'm going in with a glitter glue, and I'm just gonna spread that lightly across the cut crease.
For you, give you my kidney too. Forget my side chicks, they no forget me. Even if they used to do, trust me.
And I'm gonna be going in with this brush and just like gluing on the glitters. Wow, gluing on glitters. Yeah.
Literally physically come for you, and if you want to play, I go ball for you. Hola.
And after you go in with glitters, you're gonna go in with your wing liner like so. Okay, like so. Wing it out, sister. Wing it out. And put on your lashes, and yeah, you're good to go. I'm going in with my color corrector, and I'm just putting that under my eyes, covering all them black spots, you know what I mean?
I don't know what to say. Shit's unbelievable. Your body madness, scatter my concept. I don't know what to do. Ole cool. Peruzzi.
And after that, I'm gonna go in with my NYX foundation and just blend that all over my skin.
I'll come for you, cause calamity girl, I'll bust for you. Man, I shut down that tino too. Them they rush me. Yeah, I'll come for you. Spiritually, physically come for you. And if you want to play, I'll go for you. Hola, show me why.
And I'm gonna be proceeding to highlighting as usual using the LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Fun. Honestly, just focus on blending. Very, very, very vital. And once everything's blended to your heart's content, then you can go ahead and set with our handy dandy Sasha Buttercup powder. Yeah, and I just let it bake for a while actually, because I was supposed to be going somewhere, but like, long story, I didn't end up going, whatever. But yeah, I baked and after you bake, honestly, there's nothing more. Like, you just dust it off and you spray. You need to spray, right? Spray your setting spray. It's really white. It did eventually blend out nicely, but it's really white because I let the setting powder sit on my face for quite a bit. So yeah, then you want to make sure that you are very, very generous with the setting spray, because you don't want to be looking like powdered biscuits. Okay, don't forget, very important. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with a brown liner. So the first liner that I'm using is a bit more brown, like it's pretty much the one that I use for my brows. And then I'm going in with my lipstick, and then one more step that I like to do when I'm doing a nude lip is to go in with my LA Pro Girl lip liner. I think I'm not sure what number it is, but I'm gonna find it and make sure that I put it in the description box below. And I just like to blend in that lipstick and the actual liner together. I find that it just gives it this really seamless and just flowy look, which I really, really love, by the way. And of course, you knew I was gonna go in with my famous beauty store lip gloss. Yes. Yeah. And I honestly, like, go crazy with the highlighter. You know I love highlighters, so I don't know what to tell you, but like, we're highlighting everything. We're highlighting everything, sister, everything, okay? Oh, yeah, baby, I don't depart. Oh, yeah, baby, I don't depart. Now it's too late. And then I like to go in again with my setting spray after I highlight, because I feel like it just kind of, you know, just glues everything together, and it's just that final melt that you need to really succeed in life. Do you know what I mean? This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Tipsy make a tire. You not gonna believe me, make them fire.
At this point, I'm switching to my UK accent because I don't know what else to tell you. I just want you lot to watch my video. I want you to like my video. I want you to subscribe, because it's not fair if you're coming and you're watching the video for free. Sister, please subscribe. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave this video a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't seen my previous videos, what are you waiting for? Like, I don't know what you want me to tell you, because like my videos are lit. Click on that link. Click it right now. I'm waiting, okay? Watch them. Let me know what kind of videos you lot will want to see on my channel. Because me, I have a lot of videos coming, and I don't want you to feel like you're not included. Do you know what I mean? So let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Do you enjoy my UK accent? I'll be using it from now on, don't worry, okay? Bye!